What's up?
I need to take my mind off stuff, so we're gonna go shopping. Hello friends, hello friends, we're here at Ross.
Let's shop with Crystal. We're gonna shop with Crystal. Let's shop with Crystal.
Hello friends, it is Tuesday morning and Walmart just delivered. Alright, so I just needed some razors and I just got their brand Equate, and then cheese heads, light string cheese. I wanted some string cheese, I don't know why, and I also wanted some baby carrot, and there's Fancy always in the background. This was like a ridiculous amount. Oh, they replaced it with Alani. Okay. 10 calories. This is cotton candy. I ordered the Bang, but I guess they were out of it. And then I bought some oven roasted turkey breast, a pound. I just got some of their Equate Quick Action Daily Face Wash. So I'm running out of my oil of Olay. And then for some reason, I ordered 2 conditioners. I was doing this like at 2 a.m. So I got Tresemme, and then I also got their Equate conditioner. So I guess I'll use the cheapy one first. And then I needed some hairspray, and then I got some gum. And that is it. And this was $40. And I don't pay for delivery because I pay for like the monthly service for Walmart. And another really bizarre thing is I had to switch stores because the one store that's the closest to us, they're out of cheese. When I say they're out of cheese, I mean it was like, is there going to be another snowstorm? I mean, there was not any cheese, no matter what I tried to order. There was like 0 cheese. And I was like, that is really bizarre. Like, how can the store be totally sold out of cheese? And another really weird thing is I was just going to get the off-brand, like Walmart's brand. Great value. Completely sold out. Because I think there's like a dozen in here. I think Walmart's brand is like maybe like $2.98, and this is $4.98 because it's, you know, name brand, but there's really not a difference. So I don't know. Let me know if you. I mean, I'm gonna Google it because I don't understand why there's a cheese shortage here in Oklahoma. Anyways, happy Tuesday. All right, so big surprise. We're off to a late start. Oh my god, that's like the story of my life. It is 1:22 here in Oklahoma, and I'm not even like in any type of rush. It is what it is, you know what I mean? Like, stuff happens. But we do need to go to our house because I need to pick out the swatches for the front door. So I'm gonna fix my drink right now. And I started a load of laundry. And I also need to find out when we'll be able to move back into our home. And we haven't been there like in a while, so I have to pick up, just check it out, see what's going on. Alright, I don't want to forget all my drink pixies, so we'll put them in the pantry. And I also need to speak to the project manager about when we're going to be able to go home. Oh, I need to start a return on those. Those are stale. Did I not pay $10 for them to be stale? My husband, I think he likes the Peeps, you guys. Because I have not had any. And then he tried the honey buns. I don't know if he liked them because he only had one. And then no one's opened up the lava cakes. Put the napkins on the counter so I don't forget to use these. Trying to condense stuff. This little is so cute. Make sure we take that with us. Our granola bars. Well, actually, let me take this out because my husband used these are multivitamins. And that's theirs, so we'll leave that here. And this I brought. I want to take back with me because I always need these. Alright, and then we did buy the slow cooker. Oh, it's going to be 80 degrees here, by the way. And then tomorrow, it'll be 59. This cat's really doing what she does best, lying around. Being the light of our lives. Alright. There we go. Turn the light off. Got our drink. Okay, I turned on more lights. Hey, Fancy. Okay, so I just pulled up to our house, and we're gonna go inside and take a look and see what's going on. Let's go. I've not been here in a week. It's my own house. I miss my house a lot. Yeah, everything is looking really, really nice. I don't want to touch anything, but wow. You guys, the doors, everything is painted. Yes. Look at the shelves. Oh my gosh, the doors are all, everything is all white and pretty. And it's just opening, it looks, oh my God, everything looks really, really nice. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, looks great. Look at how nice the stairs look. All the spindles. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm very, this is, wow. It looks good. And the laundry room's looking good. Powder room. They're just gonna have to clean up around the cabinets. But look at the door to the garage. OMG, like what a difference. I mean, total difference. Wow. All right, so we came here to get the swatches for the front door. Because that's, I think, what they're waiting on. So, we're going to take a look. Hold on. Okay, and my head is cut off. All right. We picked out, well, I picked out the color of the front door. And now we're going to go back to the Airbnb, and it looks like we're on schedule. Actually, we're ahead of schedule, which is really good. So that way we don't have to run around or book extra days at the Airbnb because we don't want to be at the Airbnb. We want to come home and so forth. So
yeah, I mean, everything looks really, really nice, and it is 79 degrees right now. I've got the air conditioning going on, but it's not, I don't know, it's like not hot, if that makes sense. Maybe it's overcast? I don't know. Alright, so that's what's going on, and I showed you guys the downstairs, and we're gonna do a walkthrough with the project manager, make sure everything's cool. And yeah, so I mean, super excited to get back into our house. And you guys are bouncing up and down just a tad. So I do apologize. But it is what it is, right? Gosh, I'm like, we are on the way. There's a lot of traffic because we are like far from the Airbnb right now. Must be the traffic. It's 5:30. The people that live across, they have a big farm, and they also have like a big pond, and he's riding around on a little, it's not a golf cart. Well, it's kind of like a golf cart, but 4x4. I don't even know what to call it. But they have a lot of land, and it's pretty cool. They have a dock, like I'm looking at it right now. I wish I could turn you guys around, but I can't. But they have like a dock, and we live across from a big farm. I don't know how to explain it other than that. There's a lot of farms. And then right now, when we go to the Airbnb, we're like across town. And I call that those, like I said, like we're in some country up there. This is like more in town, city. But yep. So today was 80, and tomorrow is going to be 60. You know what I want to get? There's horses. There's always, you guys, there's always some type of farm animal. Like, there's always horses. There's always like cows or ducks. Or, I mean, it's just, it is so different, you know, but I love it. Like, I would not trade it for anything. I love living in Oklahoma. Like, it's definitely been an adjustment coming from California, but I love it. I mean, it is just like, it's cool. Cool people. And I didn't even tell you guys, I didn't even film it either. I picked out a wedding ring. And I called my husband and I said, get your booty down here so you can pay for it. And he did. And it has to be sent to be sized. I think I'm a 6 in ring size. Yeah. So that's gonna take like 10 days to get done. But I had such a hard time picking out a wedding ring because I'm not really, I mean, I like jewelry, but I'm not really like into like diamonds and like stuff. I don't know. It's just not really my thing. And since the ring that my husband originally picked out, they ended up sending it, because we weren't there to sign for it, and it came twice. I went back to the store, and then we just got busy. So this one, I'll pick it up, or my husband can pick it up in, she said like 10 days, so hopefully I'll have it before I go to California. That would be nice. And okay, 45. Yeah, I don't know why you guys are shaking, because usually you're not. Alright, you guys. This is going to be a short vlog. And then... I don't know. This weekend, I don't know what we're going to... I don't know if we're going to cook and bake in the live. If I... Because we're going to be moving back in on Sunday. So maybe we'll just chat. I don't know. Alright. Short vlog. But you guys got a little glimpse of what the house is looking like. And I'm super excited because now, like, you know, we can use for closets and so forth. So, that is awesome. Speaking of that, we need to get hangers. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff to do this week before we skedaddle from the Airbnb. Alright, I'm going to get this loaded up for you, and then I do have Dollar Tree. We have a Dollar Tree. Shop with me. So. Alright everyone, I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.